right, I'm going to help you figure out the tools for drawing and typing in Pear Deck. So you have a few options. There's a pen, there's a highlighter, you can draw a line, there's text, and there's an eraser. So when you pick the pen, you can pick whatever color you would like, and you can hit the button here to make it thicker or thinner. And so you can write right on the page. Now then, maybe you want it a little thicker, and that's how you make that thicker. Maybe you want to draw a line, so that's your line. And if you want to do text, you just make a text box. Move this up, and I'm going to type science. And maybe I want that just a little bit bigger. So then what you do is you can tap on the box and you get those squares like that. And when you have those squares, you can move it around and angle it. And then you click the text button here and you can make your text bigger after you've drawn on it.